तो नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है अर्णव यादव।
मेरा महेश यादव।
आप देख रहे हैं आपरा ब्लॉग्स। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। तो दोस्तों, आज हमारे पास दो प्रोडक्ट्स है, एक ईयरफोन्स और एक स्पीकर। सो पहले फटाफट ईयरफोन्स को अनबॉक्स करते हैं। सो लेट्स डू इट ASAP। These are some Ambrain high bass sound earphones worth ₹450। आजकल इतने ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में इतनी ज़रूरत पड़ती है ईयरफोन्स की, and I usually break them frequently, so I buy them frequently. Alright, so these are the earphones with some silicone buds, and these look pretty fine. Some features: high bass, easy operation, 1.2 meter cable length, microphone, 3.5 mm plug, and nothing else. Alright, so this was the earphone unboxing. So our main product, which is Mivi Roam 2 Bluetooth speaker. So first let's see the specifications. Super solid bass, premium build with metallic grill, paired 2 Roam speakers for double sound, portable, waterproof, 24 hours playtime at mid volume, which is a great advantage over other Bluetooth speakers. And this is wireless, 2000 mAh battery, and made in Indian brand. Its MRP is 2,999, that is 3,000 rupees. So let's unbox it. And I know after a long time I'm making this video, so actually I'm in 12th standard, so I have to study a lot of syllabus preparation for medical NEET entrance exam. Alright, so 5 watt HD sound, 24 hours playtime, and Bluetooth 5.0. Push the limits, and engineered and made in India. The package looks pretty dope. So Ayush, which color do you want? Red. And it comes with other variants also, like red, black, blue, green. Alright, so this was the package. So first we have some user manual. The craftsman note, a lot of user manual. Welcome to the crew, blah blah blah. Alright, so next we have some 1-year warranty registration card. I will probably use that because I mostly break it. I will mostly just discard it within a month or two. Hopefully I don't do that. Alright, so we have this speaker right here. And alright, so what else do we have in this package is we have these two cables. One is for charging and the other is auxiliary cable, which we can attach for attachment of the speaker to the mobile phone using that headphone jack, 3.5 mm jack. So हमारे पास अब है these Mivi speakers. Oh my goodness, these look pretty dope. Amazing.
And it is red only.
Yeah, red. Pretty cool. Some spikes for proper grip. Yeah, we get few buttons like play button, pause button, volume up and down. So these look pretty dope. And we have these auxiliary cable and charger ports over this side. Ayush, do you want to say something? Say something. How do you like them?
Yes.
Bas yes, nothing else. Any
It
feedback?
It is pretty cool.
Pretty cool. Okay. So we get to see Mivi branding over here. So these look pretty cool. All right. So this was it, guys, and I hope you liked the video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. What else do I say? Please hit the bell icon. Anything else do you want to say, Ayush?
And comment how is it.
Yeah, please do comment that how was your second lockdown? Is everybody safe at your home? We hope so. So please do take all the precautions, necessary precautions regarding the COVID, and stay at your home to the maximum extent, to the maximum possibility. People now have to go to the office or to offices. My father too has gone to his office. He now daily is going. So now what can we do? All right. So but he is taking all the precautions, and you all should take. So these are the speakers. Please do comment that how did you like them, and we'll read them. We'll just reply back. Alright, guys, so please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll meet you in the next one. APRA Vlogs. Bye bye.